Let me walk you through on how to use Wellfound for job searches. If you're currently looking for a job inside of Wellfound, what you need to do is first of all, make sure that your profile is complete and you've uploaded your CV. Once you ensure that, you can head over to the job section, and then right here inside of jobs, you can add in your job title as well as the location. You do have further options such as adding in the remote option. So if you are interested in remote jobs as well, you have the option of clicking on the include remote jobs or only remote jobs option as well. Once you make your search, all of these job results will start to show up. You can take a look at the company profile as well as the job that is posted. Inside of this section, you'll be able to see the entire job description, what the job is about, the role that you have, and a few other details. Make sure you read this thoroughly, and you can also click on the save option if you're trying to apply later on. All of the saved jobs will be directly added inside of the saved section. If you want to get better results, you can click on the filters option and then add in a few filters such as your salary range, area of interest, as well as markets. This way you're going to see better job postings that you can apply to. So that was a short tutorial on the way that you use Wellfound for job searches. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.